Scientists confirmed a gas giant planet orbiting a star in a triple star system. This system, called as KOI 5, is located in the constellation of Cygnus, and the exoplanet therein has been confirmed more than a decade after it was first detected by the Kepler Planet Hunting Space Telescope. The planet is known as KOI 5AB, was the second candidate exoplanet detection made by Kepler when it commenced operations back in 2009. KOI 5AB got abandoned because it was complicated and we had thousands of candidates. This has been said by the astronomer of NASA's Exoplanet Science Institute. Exoplanet hunters tend to avoid the complexities of multi-star systems of the over 4,300 exoplanets confirmed to date. Fewer than 10% belong to the multi-star systems, even though such systems dominate the galaxy. As a result, very little is known about the properties of exoplanets in multi-star systems compared to those that orbit a lone star. Following the Kepler's detection, the astronomers had used ground-based telescope. By 2014, they had identified two companion stars, KOI 5b and KOI 5c. This made it extremely difficult to figure out if the dip in starlight observed by the Kepler was caused by an exoplanet or something else. In 2018, Kepler's successor, TESS, picked up the job, and when TESS looked at the star Cygnus, it too pinged a candidate exoplanet orbiting KOI 5a. The scientists say that they still couldn't determine definitively if the planet was real or if the blip in the data came from another star in the system. Also, there is a chance that it could have been a fourth star. The NASA scientist and his team worked reanalyzing all previous data. In an excellent testament of the abilities of our planet hunting telescopes, the researchers found that yes, there is indeed an exoplanet in orbit around KOI 5a at a skewed angle to at least one of the stars in the triple system. And the scientist CRD said that this is extra special. It's because the orbit is skewed. What the scientists were able to ascertain is that the planet KOI 5AB is probably a gas giant half the mass of Saturn and 7 times the size of the Earth on a very close 5-day orbit around KOI 5a. KOI 5a and KOI 5b, both around the same mass as the Sun, form a relatively close binary with an orbital period of about 30 years. The third star, KOI 5c, orbits the binary as much larger distance with a period of about 400 years, a bit larger than Pluto's 248-year orbit. NASA scientists have said that we still have a lot of questions about how and when the planets can form in multiple star systems and how their properties compare to the planets in single star systems. By studying this system in greater detail, perhaps we can gain insight into how the universe makes the planets. The discovery was announced at the 237th meeting of American Astronomical Society. If you are new to the channel, please don't forget to subscribe the channel And don't forget to click on the notification button for the next video.